Everyone, it's Bonnie here, and I have another project that I'd like to share with you. This is an altered bird cage, and I used this bird cage that I got from Michael's. I think it was either in the $2 bin or the $1.50 bin. And I used this candlestick holder, and I got that at the Dollar Tree. And that was I used for the base. And this is what it looks like. This is the top of it. And if you look closely at the texture, I had followed a tutorial that oh gosh, what was her name? Ugh. Okay, it's gonna come to me. But she used acrylic paint and sand to make this beautiful texture. And first I added a pink combination of pink paint with the sand, and then I added some white to give it a shabby look, or more of a shabby look, I should say. But I think this technique is shabby enough. So I did the entire base, and I also did the bird cage, the entire bird cage as well. Okay, it's Faith Chick 777. That's her name. Okay, so, and I'll put the link to her channel below, so you can also check out how she mixes the combination to get this beautiful texture. It's so cool. It really is really cool. I'm so glad that I gave it a try. Okay, so anyway, I left the bird cage open because I don't think that bird should be caged. And I used my last fluffy bird, and he's a Chubbers, and this is from Christmas time. He was one of the Christmas ornaments. I had picked up quite a few and used a lot of them on some of my origami boxes, but this one I saved for me, and I'm glad I did. See how cute? And these little flowers here, these little pink and white ones, I had gotten in a recent haul that I did at my local thrift store. And all of these beautiful flowers here, these big blooms, those I also got at that thrift store. And I had this in mind when I picked those up, to add them to my altered bird cage. I had, created the bird cage, and I knew I wanted to put Chubby up here, but then I also wanted to put some flowers. So, and this here is some fun fiber, and I just made a cute little nest for him to perch on. And I added more white feathers just to give even more puffiness. So that's what the back looks like. And I added some inside as well. Oops, sorry. I added some flowers inside as well. So that is my altered bird cage, using the Michael's bird cage and the glass candlestick holder from the Dollar Tree. And you can make, beautiful creation for very, economical, and it came out great. So please give this technique a try. It's so cool and so easy to do. This is the sand that I got. Hang on. Oh, I don't know where it is. No, I don't. I'm so sorry. I don't know where I put my sand. But anyway, I got it at Hobby Lobby, and I'm sure if you ask around where it is, they'll direct you to, where you can pick up a, big thing of sand. All right, ladies, thanks for joining me today, and thanks to all my newest subbies and my old ones, and leaving such wonderful comments for me to read and go through and put a big old smile on my face. Have a great day, everybody, and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.